guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we are going to talk about this hardy hibiscus. This hardy hibiscus is a perennial, so we are going to cut it all the way back to the ground. So it's a little hard to cut this with your pruners, my Felco 2 pruners. So today I'm going to use my Saker mini chainsaw. So it has a little safety thing here, so that's all you do is click the little safety thing and then hold down the trigger, and there you go. Who knew a girl would love her power tools, right? So this makes it very easy for me to manage this hardy hibiscus since it has a really thick diameter. So this is the one that I just cut right there, and then I'm going to show you right now how I cut this. So right now it is late fall, and this is the very front of my garden, and I really don't like this structure in the front of the garden. So for me, for the last couple of years, since I'm Zone 8 Charlotte, North Carolina, we get cold, but it doesn't get really cold like it would be for you in Michigan or up in those colder zones such as 5 and 6. So you might want to do things just a little bit differently than I do in the South. So for the last couple of years, I've cut these back in the fall, and they came back perfectly for me in the springtime. So you cut them all the way down and it comes up completely fresh from the ground since it's a perennial. So proven winners and Walter's Garden that grows these perennials suggest that you might want to cut them back in the springtime. And the reason is that they're very hollow in the middle of the stem. Let me see if this looks hollow or not. You can kind of see that it's a little bit hollow right there. And that sometimes it can introduce some kind of disease. Like if it snows real heavy and the snow gets down into this, it can cause some kind of disease. But anyways, for me, I know that this works well, so this is what I'm going to do, and this is how I'm cutting it down. And I'm using my, like I said, my mini chainsaw from Saker. And I have that link in the description as well if you're interested in a little mini chainsaw, because it is very manageable and easy to work with. You just have to be very...
in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Is how you cut down a hardy hibiscus. If you don't have a mini little chainsaw like I do from Saker, very nice product, and I have that link in the description. You can also use one of these handheld saws. This one's from Hibiscus. This will work also, or you can try to use your Felco pruners. Your Felco pruners work really well for small things such as small limbs, but these were just a tad too big for this type of job. This would have worked just as easily, but this works really fast. I also use this to trim my crepe myrtle trees in the springtime as well, and to limb up anything that needs to be limbed up. So love this product, and I use it all the time. It's fall, y'all, and fall is a perfect time to plant these plants and get them in the ground. Remember, they may not look like a whole lot right now when you're planting them, but you're buying them for the root systems. And when you're getting them into the ground in the fall and they're developing their roots, then these are going to look absolutely gorgeous next spring and summer. So I love these hardy hibiscus because we may not want to buy a tropical hibiscus because they're either going to die on us or we have to bring them inside and take care of them that way. But these hardy hibiscus look just as gorgeous as the tropical ones, and they're a big presence into your garden. And they like boggy areas too. So if you have an area that is really wet, remember that this is the perfect plant that you can plant there, and it will just soak up all that water and be super happy and give you great big huge blooms. So go to the nursery and find you a hardy hibiscus. This hibiscus right here was called Berry Awesome, and I love it, and it is a great plant. So get to planting, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.
Yesterday there was sun.